Good morning, you guys. Terry here. So, excuse my voice. I got my manly, deep voice from being that it's morning. Haha. Anyway, I thought I'd drop by. I went to Hobby Lobby, I guess a week or so ago, and I picked up some stuff. I picked up these new 50-piece paper doll set. I thought they're cute, and they will be great for vintage cards or anything like that. And I think that they're so cute. I want to know who these people are, though. Do you ever find yourself looking at old photos like these and wondering who are these people in these photos? Anyway, I thought they'd be really fun to make maybe a vintage mini album with or something like that. So I got those. It was half off, I believe. So when it's half off, I try to keep it like 4, 6 or something like that. So I got those. Excuse my nails too. I hadn't done in a long time. I've been working so much. Going on a trip next month, and I'll get them done before my trip, I'm sure. So I also picked up these frames. These are the baseboard frames. I love these. They're so pretty. And I thought that I could always use them on cards. I know you've seen them. They're so pretty. So vintage. I love them. See, like this one or these two, they're small enough to use on a card. Very pretty. Love those. Sorry for the crinkling. But if I don't put them back in the package now, they might not get there. Of course, anybody that knows me knows my craft room is pretty spotless. So, and then I got these baseboard frames also. Let me show you those. There's a large one in that set. These are pretty too, but I really like those white ones. There's one. That one's pretty. I want to put one of them on a card with a vintage photo inside. Like maybe make my sister's a card and put my mom and dad's wedding picture in it or something. So pretty. I'm hoping you guys can see it pretty good with no glare. I'll put those away later. Then I got these quote tokens. I love these. I thought they were so cute. And if I'm going to make a vintage mini album or card or something like that, I do like to have more metals in that. So these will be perfect for that. Yeah, so I'm going to use those. And I got these quote chips. They have all kinds of different sayings on them. I already used one on a card, I believe. Yeah, so there's several different ones. I'm not going to go through them all. And they'd also be perfect for vintage. If I make a vintage card. So I got those, and since I'm aside, last but not least, I got these little tiny clips. They are so freaking cute. Oh my God, they're so cute. I just love them. I thought they'd be really cool to hold like a little element on a card or mini album. Oh my God, they're so cute. So cute. Love those. Alright guys, that's all I got on that run. Like I said, I love it when they have Tim Holtz buy one get one or half off. I always look at it as buy one get one because that's what I do. So have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.